So finally, to finish off the video, I would like to remind you once again that the entire idea behind these services is for them to work together and help you to run a CO2 neutral company. Of course, in the long term, we would like all of your activities to not actually emit any CO2, but in order to get started as quickly as possible, because climate change is such an urgent problem, this is the best way to start and make progress on CO2 neutrality today. Not next week, not next month, not next year. And there's one thing I would really like to show you, which will really help for you to communicate about all the work that you're doing to your audience on your website. And these are our widgets. So if you would like to learn about the widgets, just go into the About, click on Knowledge Base, right? And I'm just gonna let it load and show you exactly how to find them. So here we are. And you just need to search widgets. And it's the second one. So it's insert a tree counter to display your number of trees planted and other labels. Just give it a moment. And within this article, you learn all about how they work. So these are pretty much snippets of code that you will be adding into your website. And these labels, as are loading right now, will show up in your website footer. So there's a CO2 neutral website, which I showed earlier, but you also have these widgets for the CO2 neutral products, CO2 neutral team, and the actual number of trees that you've planted so far. And when anybody clicks on them, they go to your forest so they can see all the proof of all of these trees, right? And these, again, this is completely free. It's a really fantastic service. You can just request it here and it will look like this. I showed you with the CO2 neutral website. So if we were selling an e-commerce product, of course, we would also set up the offset products. And this is what it would look like on your page. Okay, so that's everything for the video. I hope you found it useful, and we are really looking forward to working with you and helping you to run a CO2 neutral company.